Okay.
Hi, this is Pandit Fakir Yogi Bendra Yogi, adventure rider and real athletes. Played all the sports, tennis, swimming, shuttle, javelin throw, cycling. Lot of adventure, climbing to the trees and the mountains and the hills, and all these are my passion. Today I have come here to demonstrate the people how to use these machines, weight machines, focus changing. ये मिलेगा ओका machine की focus changing. So dear friends, in this video I will be instructing people how to really use this machine, because injury can come if they do not learn properly. These are few machines.
ఇదే ఒకటే తీస్తాం తర్వాత ఓకే ఓకే
There are so many machines. 1, 2, focus changing, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and then come 6th. Okay. So next video I will show how to use these machines.